Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. All right guys, today in today's tutorial guys, I have the Samsung Galaxy, and of course in this particular device, this one is the S26 Ultra. It doesn't really matter as long as it's the Samsung. If you're having Google Play Store isn't responding, I'll show you to fix that. All right, so as you can see, we have an error here. And of course, you have the options to wait. If you wait, it's gonna basically give it some more times, or you can actually close the app. So I suggest that you close the app. Now, when you're having this particular error, I suggest that you go ahead and do a reboot. So what you're gonna do here is whenever you're having such a problem, go ahead guys, and you're gonna do a full-on power off of the device. So go ahead and do a complete shutdown. So go ahead and shut down the device. What this is gonna do is that it's gonna allow the system to refresh. And of course, in some cases, it can fix the problem. So what I'm going to do here, guys, is I'm going to power back up the S26 Ultra. In this case, as I said, it applies to any Samsung device, even others that are outside the S26. So of course, go ahead and allow the device to start back up. Now, of course, once the device starts back up, as seen here, you can go ahead and unlock. Guys, you can actually try the app again. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and launch the app again. And as you can see, in my case, it's working for the most part. Now, if it's a particular action that triggered the error, go ahead and try repeat that exact action. If that doesn't work, the next thing we can do, guys, is to go ahead and so what you want to do from here, guys, is to go ahead and you're going to go to settings. Once you're in the main settings menu, go down and search for apps. Then you're going to search for Google Play Store. If you can't be bothered to search manual, it's alphabetical. Go ahead and hit search, type in Google Play, and of course the Google Play Store is going to show up. It's that one. See the icon? Tap. From here, you're going to go to storage. And the key thing here is to clear the cache. And of course, clearing the cache, what you want to do is to clear the cache. I usually clear both at the same time. I would recommend that you do that. However, if you just want to not go too extreme, you can actually clear cache. That's not going to eliminate anything. You're going to go back and try Google Play Store again. If you're still getting the error, come back and you're going to clear data. But before you clear data, be warned that clearing the data is going to actually most likely require that you sign back into Google Play with that whatever Google account that you use first. So go ahead and only in severe cases clear data. Once you clear data, go ahead and launch again. And of course, log back in and try again in terms of what's taking place inside of your device. All right, so that's one of the other things to do. Another thing to do as well is to launch Google Play. You're going to go into your settings. So you're going to tap on your user profile and you go to settings. Once you're in settings as seen here, I don't want to show my email. So you're going to go next and you're going to go down and I would say click your profile, go to settings. And of course, you can see now, once you're in your settings here, you're going to go to, I think it's, let me try to remember. I think it's probably under about. Here we are. And this is the Play Store version. Of course, go ahead and hit update Play Store. And of course, if there's available version, it's going to say Play Store is up to date. You're going to hit got it. All right, so update there. And of course, that should update the Play Store. Another thing to try as well is to go into settings again. You're going to make sure you're in the main settings menu. So we're going to be in the main settings menu here. You're going to go to about phone. Once you're in about phone, go to software information. In software information under about, you should see this information pertaining to your device. Now you're going to see for Google Play system update, go ahead and tap. Notice mine said May 1st. Allow it to check. And of course, it says device is up to date. And it says I have Android version 16. And of course, my Play system update is May 1st, 2026. Our Google Play system update is of that date. All right, it tells you the last time it checks. So if there's an update, it will tell you to update. If there's need for a reboot, it will ask you to go ahead and reboot. All right, so that's pretty much it about how to actually update most of the issues to fix your problem on the Google Play. Some of the things that kind of less likely, but just in case, you can also try to update your device. So for example, also try as a last ditch effort, go to software update and you can check for updates. Now, if there's a major update, go ahead and update your device. And of course, that too might come with Play Store updates, which can actually fix the problem as well. And that's the last tip. So doing that should in most cases deal with the device itself and why the Play Store might be crashing if you're getting repeated crashes or after a particular action. Hope that was helpful, guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.